If you see your lovebirds are mating but they don't laying eggs, then this video is especially for you. So what to do if your bird are not laying egg after mating? Number one cause which influence to not laying egg is fattening problem of female bird. Most of the new breeders are giving only 2 or 3 types of seed mix for lovebird. They don't use any kind of vegetable. That's the main cause of fattening. So the question is how to detect that your female bird is affected by fattening problem. To detect this, at first you have to catch them and see the lower side of their body. Focus there and try to see that does this area is lump or not. If this area is lump, then it may cause of two different reason. Number one reason, if your bird are start laying egg or there is some eggs on the area, then it may lump. On other hand, if this area is lump but there is no egg, then it's a confirmedly cause of fattening problem. So the question is how to detect it. To detect it, you just press on the area which is lump, and if you feel that there is something like egg or something like eggshell, then there is some eggs, there is no problem of your bird. On other hand, if you don't feel any kind of thing like that, then just there is some soft area, then it may cause a fattening problem or there must be some fat. Now the question is how to release this unusual fat from your female bird. To release this unusual fat, you have to mix a good quality of seed mixture to prepare your lovebird feed. On other hand, some seasonal vegetable are also help them to release fat. But if your bird is already get affected by this problem, then you have to treat them to release this unusual fat and feed them for laying eggs. The treatment of fattening problem is very easy. To do this, just add 2 drops of lemon with your bird regular drinking water, and this can help them to release unusual fat from their body. And continue this process from 5 to 6 days, but regularly change the water. If you adding 2 drops or 3 drops of lemon on the drinking water, then after 6 hours you have to release the total water and give them fresh water. There is no lemon in this time. So the process is very easy. Just give them lemon mix water for 6 hours in a day. This process should be continued for 5 to 10 days, and this could help them to release their unusual fats. There are some other causes which affect on the process of laying eggs or on the process of breeding. The second important cause is cage size. Lovebird need a bigger size cage, at least 2 feet by 2 feet cage is preferred for them, but people are using small size cages which is not enough for them to get fly properly or get breed properly. So try to ensure that your cage is bigger, or you may also choose colony system to breed lovebird. The next cause of lovebird laying problem is their diet. To maintain this, use a commercial regular seed mixture for lovebird, especially for lovebird, and give them regular vegetable like lettuce or broccoli, and you can also use different types of fruit like strawberry, apple or others. On other hand, you can also use some soft food as like a germinated seed, because germinated seed having a lots of mineral and it's really helpful for lovebird. As a germinated seed, you can use wheat seed or you can use corn seed also. So try to germinate these types of seed and give them as your lovebird soft food. The next cause which is directly effect on lovebird laying eggs is problem of vitamin. To avoid vitamin related health problem, try to use any kind of Vitamix which is especially prepared for lovebird. You can buy any of them from Amazon. If you are already doing all the things but your lovebirds are not laying egg, then the last and final solution is vitamin E capsule. Actually, vitamin E capsule is support them to improve their testosterone hormone and influence them regularly for mating, and after a successful mating your bird will start laying egg within 10 to 15 days. So if you are trying all the ways but you don't get a good result, then vitamin E capsule should give you a proper support for lovebird breeding. So thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information about lovebird and the rearing method, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly.